this evening. Seeking refuge. Animals and residents in Shooters Hill left in desperation after weekend rains. Cut off. Land slippages and breakaways force Gardentown residents to walk miles. Deja vu. Devastated St. Thomas community ravaged again by Eta rains.
Good evening and welcome once again to Primetime News. We're live on air and also online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the business day, Primetime Sports, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: what measures should the government take to ensure better choices in where people live?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.